Hello, I'm Susan Woodcock at Custom Workroom Technical Center in Tryon, North Carolina. And this is one of our class samples. This is a flat blackout Roman shade with no pinholes of light, and it's installed on a motorized lift system. The system on this shade is the Pro Design LLC motorized wand. And to lift the shade, I'll just push the up button, and it can be set to stop at a certain point. It was really easy to assemble and to attach the shade onto the system. And I'll turn it around so you can see. So there's the back of the shade. There are spools on a roller. There's a lithium battery that's in the tube. All of it was cut to size based on the measurements that I gave them when I ordered the system. And to lower the shade, I'll just push the down button on the wand. One of the conveniences of having a wand is that your customer doesn't have to climb up on a ladder to charge the battery. They can charge it right on the bottom of the battery and plug it into an outlet or into a computer or something else. It's really, really easy to recharge. Now, you might not want to have a wand hanging down. You might want to have a remote control. Well, Pro Design LLC has that as well. It's the same system with a remote, and I'm going to make another shade to show you that. So stay tuned, and thank you for joining me.